Kaseng 3 months ngobha na kabenta kabha kamyat pat karoy kapa ke imlang salang kabosco Integrated Development Society kabits kalawan ra ikawi kapang perkhat bathamai ki Pulit bat ki police station ki ki Paralok bat ki ketem ban yerap amtang ban penshitom ni pensajai ki briu kani kesan perkhat balawan ra de kabits kalong ban penchlur ki knarit iki Samla lot bat iki Samla bantur ki Pulit bat ki police station ban yo jingirap kanu kapor bagi don kam hagajing jangki ki Pulit ki ki Paralok kumbalong lem ki briu amde ban Tieng Khla ki ki briu ki balak ban shanya ki balak ban yerap bat ban weng na kanu kajing ni jing stom bengi kendu hagajing jangi Haka arpo arterik gulber kinong ilam jong kabits kila pelong ya kajing nek jengok kai ya ke police station lumding juri Shillong ringkat bat arpo sangut ki kena red bat Samla lot. Kini ki kena kila yok ban ya keren Paralok da kajing kemen bat arngut ki Pulit officer. Layu i begini ki kena kila sedang ban sngau thu ikamen sim sngau lem para bril jong ki Pulit. Kermen bana ini jing sedang barit in wanra ikajing kala ha kerukam perkhat perdan jong ki babon syapang ki Pulit nang ne syakmat.
Hello everyone. The purpose of today's program was to bring our child right club members to the police station. The objective was to develop the relationship between police personnel and children. We have been working with children for quite many years, and what we have realized is there is still a gap between police and children. As a result of that, whenever required, children they do not approach police because the fear is there in them. So we had brought this matter to the higher officials, to our respected SP Sir Vivek CM, to our respected additional SP Sir Ivan, and with their help we had organized this program which is called Visit My Police Station, and this is the first visit which our children from the adjoining area under the Lumding police station have visited, and following this there will be many more programs which will be done in other police stations as well, where children will be visiting the other police station, and through this program we hope to establish a relationship between police and children, and also develop confidence in children that whenever they need police, or whenever they see some children who are being abused, or who are going through trouble or difficult times and who need police assistance, they can call police. So the program, like I had mentioned earlier, is called Visit My Police Station, organized in collaboration with SP East Khasi Hills and Child from Shillong, a project under donbosco Integrated Development Society.